Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about decode function. Now we are going to learn about view in Oracle. Okay, so as you can see, I have written the definition here. In Oracle, view is a virtual table that doesn't physically exist, but it is stored in Oracle data dictionary and don't store any data actually. It can be executed when it called. A view can be it can be created by using one table or more than one table by using join. Okay, so this is what view is. I have written the syntax. As you can see, this is very simple. Create view and the name of the view, whatever you want to give as the select statement of the table. These are the columns what you want to include in your view, column 1, column 2 and so on from the table. This is your base table. Okay, so this is how we use the syntax to create the view. Okay, so we'll see the examples as well, how to create the view in our SQL workshop. Before that, let's see what is written here. We can perform all DML commands on view like insert, update and delete. And to run insert command, view will have let me read this. To run insert command on view, it should have all not null columns which are not there in table. It means the table which is having not null columns, we have to include all those not null columns in our view, then only we can perform insert statement. Okay, hope all these definitions are clear to you. Let me jump to SQL workshop for the examples. So here we are. So before that, let me do select star from our table, select star from EMP. This is our EMP table. We are going to create a view using this table. Okay, so let's do let's write this create command. Create view, the name of the view, whatever you want to give. I'm going to give EMP detail, VW EMP detail as. Now select, I'm going to take these two columns, ename and salary. So I'll take ename comma salary from EMP table. Okay, that's it. Now let's run this query. As you can see, we got the output as view created. Now let's do select star from our view name. Select star from view. The name of our view is this thing. Let's copy it from here and paste it in this place and run this query. Sorry, from is not correct. Yeah, so let's run this. As you can see, we got the data. These two columns we got. So successfully our view get created and we are getting our data. Now what else I said? I said that you can perform all DML commands on your view. Means you can perform your update query, you can perform your insert and delete command. Okay, so let's see. First we are going to insert some data into this. So insert into this view, control C, control V. Now we'll directly write values and the data what we want to insert. We are going to insert here some new column as like Tim, and the salary will give as $3,000. Let's run this query. As you can see, view one row get inserted. Now again let select star from our view. So as you can see, we got this data as Tim 3000. Okay, so this is how we successfully inserted data into our view. So whatever we are inserting in our view, the same thing will get inserted in our base table as well. I'll show you here. Let's run this. Yeah, so as you can see, the Tim and salary get inserted, but as we have not inserted anything here in ID and department ID, so nothing are there. Okay, so this is how we perform insert statement in our view. Now we are going to perform update command in our view, on our view. Okay, so let's do select star from our view. So now we are going to perform update query on our view. Okay, so for that, let me write this update command. Update, we'll write our view name, copy, paste, and then set. So what we are gonna do, we are going to change the ename. What we wanna change here? Okay, so we will be changing here. We have name. We want to change it as Mark, where ename is Tim. Okay, sorry, TIM. T is capital. So now run this query. As you can see, one row inserted. Now do select star from our view. So as you can see, Tim get converted to Mark. All right. So and the same thing will get updated in our base table as well. So as you can see, it was Tim previously, get changed to mark. Okay, so this is how we can perform our update command. Now let me show you the delete command here on this view. Before that, again, let's select start from our view. So we are going to delete this this row from the view. So how we'll do that? We'll run this delete command, delete from our view. What's the name of the view? This is our view. Control C, Control V, where ename is equal to mark, right? So we'll run this query and the data will get deleted. As you can see, we got the output as deletion. So let's run this query again. As you can see, we don't have this mark at all. We have only 4 data. It was previously 5 data actually. And again, you can see in our base table, we don't have that record which was having ename as mark. So as you can see, we can perform the GML commands in our view. But why we create view? We create view for security purpose. We have, in our base table we have all the data, but we just want to show these 2 columns. So we create the view, and we can perform all the necessary commands over this view. Hope the concept and definition is clear to you and examples are clear to you. For any confusion or any doubt, let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.